think this girl I'm going to try to talk for? Miraz! Oh, you know, well. That wasn't the walking gun, sadly, so, you know, you never feel like to tell me because that. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Welcome back to the channel. People don't know some of the other people there in full effect. I want to say, before I even do this video, you understand? Before we do the video, this video is a wild shot because I stopped doing all the, you know, the little pause boss, everything. Every second my pause and I give my feedback. I'm kind of tired to do that right now, and I was focused on growing the channel. So when I do videos like these, you understand me, where I know say heavily copyrighted, so if video might get blocked. You understand? I feel like my waste of time make the video, but I don't have time for your pause right now. So if you don't get to see the video, I'm going to post my Instagram. Go prepare my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Comment on this video to see your commenting video that I post. So you may say, big up everybody, big up all the day ones. Them keep commenting, keep subscribing. Thank you for the love and support you've been showing me for the past 10 months. Ja, no, but Shenseea, bad alone. I did the audio reaction last week. The pause was in full effect, but the pause was not there right now. No more. Run tune! She running in our Jeep? What? Ooh. Mama! Woo! Woo! Okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. Oh, she look good. Reaction boss merchandise. Copy link down below in the description. Cutlass, you're bad too.
Yo, tell her now. What man? Yo, same girl from around the store. What do you say? Anyway, she see you, she gonna lick you. What you said?
No, well, like, class, the girl is bright. She want to come lick Shenseea in her beautiful face. I want to see it. Do it.
Stop, don't tell me something that I talking now. So we have to never pay jar. Of course we pay. Not even me with you. Yeah, you forward with your boss. A good man. What do you mean? Me forward with your boss.
Girl, them box in their corner. Hey! Smurf. Alright then. So she can do it herself then basically. That's she saying the son and bad alone, you know. You see me? So she can do it herself. But so what go on?
Yeah.
They go promise.
Me one girl when I talkie, my mouth never make fi run.
Bow.
And me is a girl when afraid for war, and me not afraid fi bust gun. The black music, tougher than a dancer in a school.
Yeah.
Now drop my girl ever in murder and mood. But alone bitch that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never.
You see them girl when they crew just a while ago, them not bad. Them a story carrier, them a mouth carrier, them carry a carry news them. They'll come and tell the girl and say she a go do so. If your friend hear that them for bomb down her ends and then she come tell you some beat up my girl because she said that and that them fear do. Sorry, I do something. Go on!
Who's a fight to no lick a fool? Girl a fi bungle up like I said them a call a loose. Alone, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crow. Me not send threat, ma make promise. The most blood them see when them dep on period. And if a gang, ma never panic. Back broad enough for me alone take country girl. Recalls.
See how she just touch it, use the gun and slap her up on her butt, slap herself on her body jaw while I go for me look on her. You see how she stand? You see why people love Shenseea, sir? You see how she use the gun and slap her body jaw for jiggle for me look on it. It's alright, Shenseea. It's alright. Go on.
Mood trigger under heavy pressure. Me boss it up, shell a drop like a rainy weather. Touch a button if you brave, man I go cause just a grave. But until then, bitch you make me back. One girl when I talkie, my mouth never make me run. And
this is the white something we have on. It a show too much. How me I go look cause I saw me turn over here so. No, let's see. It was right here so. I was right there, so. Or put me in. Me them call reaction boss. Right. Want to see what I see? Or me alone see what I see? Alright, go on. No, ma'am. Shenseea, move in a slow motion for me a little bit. That's a little teeny bit. Please, baby, please.
Keep my
Alright, you see that too, right? Like I never me alone like see something a while ago go on, right? You see it too? Alright. Just to make sure say I know me alone. Cause I know say me no blind enough. I know say me no blind enough. I know say the reaction gang outside for me too now. Go!
I make fi run. And me is a girl when afraid for war. I me no afraid fi bust gun. Me black my say tougher than a dance in a school. No drop my girl ever in murder and move. That alone bitch that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to no liquor fool. Girl I fi bungle up like I said them a call a lose. That alone that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew. Me no give a fuck where you come from. Run a liquor funds and track you like I say a while. Hug me a hunt and know how me done tan. Me no afraid of gunman. What's when a bad man?
You know why she a go on so? She a drop out a car with gun in her hand and be a thing like, hello, no, don't do it. No. Calm down the bumbuckle bell self. You a go on to brawling, man.
Me type, make one phone call just fi end your life. Get a shipment, have a gun in every type. If me want process, me use the one with laser beam light. Not chatty cause a action me like. Me one girl when I talky, my mouth never make fi run. And me is a girl when afraid for war. I me not afraid for bust gun. Me black my say tougher than a dance in a school.
No, well, I'm pause. But wait, no. One more want comment on what I want to comment on. I won't comment on that. You know I'm gonna comment on everything. Now, Shenseea roll up, right? My girl and chattings. Shenseea try to prove that she bad. So one in her head she say, you know, run up, you know. You see me I say, no long chattings, you know. She run up her head for bust up head now, you know. This girl long out her tongue before she get shot in her head. You see what go on? She long out her tongue before she get shot in her head. Watch her stand there. I'll play it in a slow motion phone. She long out her tongue before she get shot in her head.
Me black
What the bumper clip this girl long out her tongue for? Miraz! Oh, you know, well. That wasn't the walking gun, sadly, so, you know, you never flag with the tongue because that wasn't the walking gun. That was just a fart, you understand? Me had trouble now, the cap, I mean. It wasn't the walking gun, okay? Don't do it, right?
Done in a school.
Yeah.
No drop my girl ever in murder and move. That alone bitch, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on a bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to no liquor fool. Girl I fi bungle up like I said them a call a lose. That alone, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew. Tougher than a done said in a school. No drop my girl ever in murder and move. That alone bitch, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on my bumbo clad crew. Me never lose a fight to no liquor fool. Girl I fi bungle up like I said them a call a lose. That alone, that a the truth. Plus I be a bad girl rolling on me crew.
Big up your bumbuckle bell self, Shenyang. Like, it's a good look. Big up you don't know. Because everybody behind the works, you know what's that, Gordy? You know the full chefs in the people. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Russian boss, signing out. Peace.